Hi everyone. Before we get into the details of the premium study material from IT Skills, I would like to briefly explain what is ISTQB and why you should be ISTQB certified. ISTQB is International Software Testing Qualifications Board. It is a non-profit organization and it was founded in 2002 by experts in the field of software testing. It offers the most widely recognized certification for software testing, and its certification is highly valued across the globe. There are three levels of certification that are available from ISTQB. The first is the foundation level, then the advanced level, and then the expert level. The foundation level certification is the most popular certification, and as the name suggests, it acts as the foundation for anyone who wants to establish their career in software testing. The first level of certification that can be taken up from ISTQB is also called the Certified Tester Foundation Level, or CTFL. The foundation level certification is the best certification for software testing for several reasons. This is an online testing certification which can be taken up by anyone from IT or from a non-IT field. The questions are multiple choice, practical in nature, and intuitive, which makes the exam easier than others. There is no minimum qualification for the foundation level, and while ISTQB recommends 6 months of work experience, this is not mandatory. So even if you have no work experience, you can take up the exam. It is taken by candidates as diverse as recent college graduates to people with over 10 years of experience in software testing. This certification is also ideal for anyone who wants to switch from software development or from any other field into software testing. Unlike certifications which expire after a certain period of time, you do not need to reappear for ISTQB certification. It is valid lifelong and will never expire. Let us go through some of the details of the foundation level exam. The ISTQB foundation level exam has a total of 40 questions. Each question carries 1 point. Minimum percentage for passing the exam is 65%, which translates to a minimum of 26 points. Questions are multiple choice in nature, and there is no negative marks in the exam. One common question that I often get from candidates is how certification helps your career. When you're looking for a job, being ISTQB certified gives you an added advantage over other candidates. Even if two candidates have similar experience, employers prefer candidates who have certification over those who do not. In a survey of test managers by ISTQB, around 88% test managers preferred their employees to be ISTQB certified. Clients prefer hiring candidates from companies whose employees are certified because they feel more confident knowing that certified employees have sound knowledge of testing and will ensure the quality of the project. Candidates who are certified also command better pay compared to those who are not. If you are a fresher who has no job experience, having a certification proves to the hiring manager that you have sound understanding of testing fundamentals, and this improves your chances of being selected. Companies and managers also weigh in certification when considering employees for promotion. If you are interviewing for a position, this certification also shows the person interviewing you that you have made an effort to establish your expertise in testing and that you are a proactive person. In a survey of IT professionals by CIO magazine, 74% of the respondents said that certification led to better pay, promotions, or new jobs. 40% of the respondents said that certification increased their pay by more than 10%. The premium ISTQB Foundation Exam study material is available at itskills.com. It contains the following items: the best book for preparing for ISTQB exam. This book covers all 6 chapters required for the CTFL exam. All concepts are explained in easy to understand manner and suitable for beginners too. Glossary of all the terms used in ISTQB and software testing. This can be used as a quick reference for important terms. It also includes more than 600 questions from premium dumps. Each of these dumps individually costs $50, but we are including them all in our package. 600 question and answers on statement and decision coverage are also included. We also include printable cards to help you memorize and remember key topics. Question paper dumps with 1300 questions and answers for practicing mock tests. Detailed guide on the ISTQB syllabus, exam structure and step-by-step preparation guide for the ISTQB foundation level exam is also included. This also includes the process to be followed for studying for the exam. Most candidates struggle to study for the ISTQB exam when they study on their own because they get bits and pieces of study material from one source, then they spend time to find other pieces of study material to cover other topics and so on. In the end, they spend a significant amount of time browsing and searching for material to study compared to the actual time spent studying. Even then, they may not be able to find and study every topic at the required depth for the ISTQB exam. Our material includes everything that you need to prepare for and pass the ISTQB foundation level exam. You will not need to worry about whether you have studied everything that is required. If you follow the process outlined in our study material, you will be well prepared to pass the exam with a high score. If you have any questions, please go through the FAQ on our site. Stop struggling to pass the ISTQB exam. Get our premium material from itskills.com and pass easily with a high score.